Hello viewers, it's time to upgrade the boring old steering wheel on my Corsa D to another old but slightly less boring steering wheel. Well, let's get started. Whenever you're doing any electrical work on your car, it's always a good idea to remove negative terminal of your battery. Now we are good and safe. We can start removing the airbag. Alright, to remove the airbag, you just need something like a screwdriver, and there are two holes each on either side. You just need to push the screwdriver in and push real hard, and this side will pop up, and you do the same thing on the other side and the airbag comes out. Now you just need to remove the wires very carefully. You just pull these red tabs a little bit and then you can remove the connector. Alright, and put it aside very carefully. There is this metal clip you need to remove. So this is the connector for the steering wheel controls and the horn. There is a tab right at the bottom. You just need to pry a little bit with some small screwdriver and you can take this out. You need a number 50 E-socket to remove the center bolt. And here comes the old steering wheel. And now we can install the new one. I mean the better old one. Okay, there is a mark in the center which helps you align the steering wheel. Let's see if the horn works. Oh yeah. Okay, so I have disconnected the battery and now we can go on with our installation. Let's install the bolt. Okay, the bolt is installed and we also have to install this metal clip. Our steering wheel is installed and the only thing left is to reconnect the battery, and I may have to Opcom or tech to this one to the ECU. I have my Opcom all set up here. Let's see if we can activate our steering wheel controls. Okay, I'm in the BCM module now. We're going to program variant configuration and we're pressing our security code. Next. Okay, here it is, steering wheel with remote control, and we change it to present and we hit program. Yes. Okay, so now it is programmed. The next step will be to install CAN bus and a new radio. Alright guys, it's another day. I already installed the new head unit. It has CAN bus already built in, so it will work perfectly fine with all the buttons on the steering wheel. Let's just test quickly. I fire up the radio. Yep, volume's up down perfectly. Yeah, and that's not even the best part. You see here, with just one press of the button, the steering wheel heats up. As you can see, winter is approaching fast and the heated steering wheel will keep me nice and comfortable while I'm driving in winter.